Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including today the Hanon Linen Mask Co. Confusingly titled mask as if it's like some sort of fabric. It's not, it's a regular disposable mask, so let's get it in the clamper and see what happens. Just your standard, basic, blue medical mask. Oh, that was a solid clamp. No pinching fingers this time. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. We are doing the ASTM American Standard test here for surgical masks. Buckle up, not a 5-point harness, not gonna be that much fun as we do this test. Let's look at the listing. Disposable, safety for daily use, personal care, basic use every day. 3 layers of filtering protection. Oh, 1 layer. Our facial woman's face mask are suitable for adults and children. Not for medical use. Let's look at the box or the bag. So Hanon Linen, so what were they making before? I'm just curious. Looks like they're making a lot of masks. Masks, a lot of masks. The fact that they named it linen, I think just tells you everything you need to know about this brand. They clearly don't understand what masks are made out of. They're not making any claims, but the picture on the back of the bag is for a KN95 and not for a surgical mask, so not exactly attention to detail people here. This is a pretty well put together mask. I like the way that it looks for the most part. Basic blue mask. Yeah, that's good. Put that on. Uh-oh. I'm gonna call this smell fresh linen. Can I have your scalpel, please? Scalpel. We also have the issue, I believe. Yep. It has a plastic nose wire. The problem with plastic nose wire is when you go to form it, look at that. Nope. Versus I got a box of masks here just to show this. A good double nose wire mask. Stays where it's supposed to stay. So that way when it conforms to your face, it gives a nice seal. Won't fog your glasses and stuff like this. Stuff like that. This one is going to have a pretty big gap wherever you go. As my daughter says, that's how the COVID gets in. But does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? Well, yeah, actually, I wouldn't wear this mask, sorry, Hanon Linen, just for that reason. This mask is a no for me with that plastic nose. And it's not saving that much money, so I'm not really sure why they do that. But let's look at the PFE machine anyway, because we're here. And actually, that's not bad. 96.701. 96.701. Breathability is 56, which is pretty good. Not a bad mask fabric, but not a good mask that's going to protect you, I think, without having that good quality nose wire. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You're still here, huh? What is this? Mask 1962. We still have not met our crazy mission of taking every single mask on Amazon and putting it into my clamper. So buckle up. 5-point harness this time, because we are not stopping every day until the end of this year, and maybe longer. We will go as long as it takes to test every single mask. We're dropping a new test at 10 a.m. every day, and if you catch us, write us in the comments, and we're gonna reward you with something special. Details, check out the details there. Thank you so much, and I will catch you on that next test.